Today is just back day. I still have a sipon and ubo. Sobrang sama ng pakiramdam ko ngayon. Kakaligo ko lang actually. And kakainom ko lang rin ng meds. So, yeah, I'm not feeling well. Actually, last week pa. So, but, kakatapos ko lang mag-gym. I mean, you still do it anyway since it's part of your lifestyle. It's your goal. It's your, kahit gaano kabagal yung ginagawa mo ngayon, as long as you do it or you're working towards it, it's still a path to success. Um, like yung sa kwento ko sa TikTok, one must imagine Sisyphus happy. Sisyphus, if hindi nyo kilala, is a Greek mythology character where he was punished by God kasi he cheated his death twice and brinake niya yung promise niya sa God. So, ang punishment sa kanya is iro-roll niya yung boulder pataas, tapos pag nasa taas na, bababa lang rin. So, meron siyang choice umalis. Actually, pwede niya lang. Pero, he choose to do it every day kahit alam niya na yung mangyari. But, at some point, at least, we must imagine at some point, he finds fulfillment sa ginagawa niya since alam niya na yung nangyari. And, he became the symbol of unwavering something. Nakalimutan ka na. And sa life, right now, for example, you feel that you have no progress. As long as you do the thing that you need to do, working out, mag-gym, kumain ng tama, mag-content, magbasa, mag-journal, as long as you're doing it, it doesn't need to have progress muna or show progress eh. Think of, for example, dieting. Hindi ako magaling mag-diet. Kanina sa gym, pagpasok ko, meron dun mga tao. Kilala ako. Nagay sa akin, boss ramen. In-approach ako ng coach kasi nahihiya yung dalawa eh. Shoutout sa inyo if napanood nyo to. Sabi sa akin ng coach, pulido na yan ha. Ibig sabihin, okay na daw yung muscle mass ko. Sabi ko, late ko pa nga eh. Sabi niya, kaano na lang yan. Sabi ko, cuts ko na ba? Sabi ko sa coach. Sabi niya, ganda na yan. Pulido na yan. Kain ko na lang problema mo, no? Sabi sa akin. Which is totoo. I cannot I can control my food pero alam niyo yung minsan na wala kang motivation kumain so kakain ka na lang sa labas or magluto. Hindi maiwasan yun eh. But as long as you still do it, you still try, you still track, then you're on your way since journey ko to. Hindi mo ko pwedeng turuan or di mo ko pwedeng sabihin na ganito gawin mo. I mean may kinig ako of course pero di mo pwedeng gawin yun sa ibang tao. You need to focus on your own suffering or journey since suffer, kung anong ginagawa mo ngayon is yun yung magiging effect sa future. So, yeah, it's a wake-up call rin sa akin na okay na talaga yung katawan ko. Ika-cuts ko na lang. So, yeah. If you're doing calorie deficit, imagine it as, for example, sticky notes. Pag isa lang, hindi halata. Pero pag marami na siya, tuloy-tuloy mo siyang tinatrack yung calorie deficit mo, papayat ka talaga, di ba? That's why progress is not linear na straight lang eh. Sa Atomic Habits, for example, yung sa airplane, same starting point. Pag nag-adjust lang ng onting angle, sobrang layo ng ending point niyan. Same lang rin sa journey natin sa kung ano man sa buhay. So, if you're tired, if you're thinking na what's the point, always remember where or why you start something. Bakit mo siya ginagawa? Bakit mo siya kailangan gawin? And ano bang purpose mo? Ba't mo siya nag-start? Since that's how you will retain that journey. And sabi nga nila, enjoy the journey. Mas na-enjoy mo yung journey kaysa yung destination. Totoo yun. If I will look back kung paano ko nakuha yung first million ko, mas natuwa pa ako yung pag ini-imagine ko na sobrang layo na pala ng narating ko sa pagki-crypto before na sobrang yung mga puyat, mga worth it, mga lungkot, yung mga emotion, matatawa ka na lang eh. So, same din na sa journey ko ngayon. So, I think that's it. Sobrang sama ng pakiramdam ko. Papahinga na rin ako. I need some sleep. ayusin ko na yung sleep ko. So, yun lang. See you guys next video. Love you all. Peace. May webinar tayo sa baba. If you guys want, free yun. Bye-bye.